In this video, we're going to look at two popular website builders, Wix and WordPress. Wix and WordPress can both help you create a website, but they work in different ways. Which one is better for you? Let's find out. First up, we have Wix. Wix is a website builder that is very easy to use. It is designed for people who don't know how to code. Think of it like building with toy blocks. You can drag and drop different things to create your website. Wix takes care of all the technical stuff for you. This includes hosting, which is where your website lives on the internet. It comes with many ready-made designs called templates. You just pick one you like and start adding your own text and pictures. It's an all-in-one solution. This means everything you need is in one place. Want to see how easy it is? Stay tuned for our feature breakdown. Wix has some really cool features. First is the drag and drop editor. This lets you move anything on your page anywhere you want. It gives you a lot of freedom to design your site. Next, Wix has over 800 templates. These are professional designs for all kinds of businesses and hobbies, so you can find one that fits you perfectly. Another great feature is the Wix App Market. Here, you can find hundreds of apps to add more power to your site. Things like booking system, contact form, and social media feeds. Wix also has something called Wix ADI. This is an artificial design intelligence. You answer a question and it builds a website for you. It's super fast and great if you're in a hurry. Plus, Wix gives you tools to help with SEO. SEO helps your website show up on Google. This is a big deal for getting visitors. And what about selling online? Wix has you covered there too. Wix has a few different price plans. There is a free plan, but it will show Wix ads on your site. You will want a paid plan. The Lite plan is good for personal websites and costs around $17 per month. If you want to sell products, you will need an e-commerce plan. The core plan, at about $29 a month, lets you start selling online. For bigger stores with more features, there are the Business and Business Elite plans. These cost more but give you more tools. Remember, these prices can change, so it's good to check their website. Is it worth the money? We'll tell you who this is for next. So, Wix is perfect for beginners. If you have never built a website before, Wix is a great choice. It is also great for small business owners. People like photographers, restaurant owners, and bloggers will find it very useful. If you want to create a website quickly and easily, Wix is for you. You don't need any technical skills, so if the idea of coding scares you, Wix is your friend. It's for people who value ease of use over having total control. Now, let's talk about WordPress. WordPress is different from Wix. It is a content management system or CMS. This means it's a software that helps you create and manage your website's content. The WordPress software itself is free, but you will need to buy your own hosting and a domain name. A domain name is your website's address on the internet. WordPress gives you a lot more control and flexibility. You are not limited to what the platform offers. You can change almost anything you want. Because of this, it is a bit more complicated to use than Wix. But don't worry, it's all possible for beginners to learn. Curious about what makes it so powerful? Let's take a look at the features. The biggest feature of WordPress is its flexibility. You can build any kind of websites you can imagine. A simple blog, a huge online store, or a business website. This is possible because of themes and plugins. There are thousands of themes to choose from. A theme is like a template that decides the look of your site. You can find free themes and paid themes. Then there are plugins. Plugins are like apps for your WordPress site. There are over 59,000 free plugins available. They can add any feature you can think of. Want a contact form? There's a plugin for that. Want to improve your SEO? There are plugins for that too. Another key feature is that you have a full ownership of your site. You control all your files and data. This is important for many businesses. WordPress is also great for blogging. It has the best blogging tools available. The cost of a WordPress site can vary a lot. The WordPress software is free, but you have to pay for a domain name, which is about $10 to $20 per year. You also need a web hosting. Hosting can cost anywhere from $3 to over $100 per month. It depends on how much traffic your website gets. You might also want to buy a premium theme, which can be one-time cost of around $50 to $200. Some plugins are also paid, so the total cost can vary very low or very high. It all depends on your needs. This might sound complicated, but it gives you control over your spending. WordPress is for people who want full control over their websites. It's great for those who want their site to grow over time. If you are serious about blogging, WordPress is the best choice. It is also perfect for businesses that need a very specific or complex website. While it has a learning curve, it's a valuable skill to have. If you are willing to spend a little time learning, WordPress offers endless possibilities. It's for the creators, the builders, and those with a long-term vision. So, Wix or WordPress? If you want something super easy and fast, go with Wix. If you want more power and are okay with learning a bit, WordPress is for you. Both are great tools to get your website online. We hope this video helped you decide. If it did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.